In this video, I want to go over the HubSpot mobile app notification settings and show you how you can choose when to get notified on your mobile app as a push notification, as opposed to getting emails or desktop notifications, which I covered in separate videos. Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Chris. I am the owner of Boolean Automation. We are a no-code consulting company that works specifically with painting companies. So if you're a painting company, we can save you hundreds of hours in eliminating data entry and streamlining your operations. Love to chat more with you about that. This video is a part of a larger series of videos where I am teaching how to get HubSpot set up and utilize all the various functionality for your sales team and other employees in your painting business. So that's what this is a part of. If you want to see the other videos, there's a playlist link down in the description below. Now let's get into this topic. So on the notifications here, we're going into the mobile app tab. And then once again, you can choose what are you going to get notified or alerted for. I would strongly recommend getting notified when there is a comment that mentions you. That's a common way for people to communicate inside of HubSpot. You want to make sure you're not going to miss that. And then the contacts and companies, the deals. I think honestly, the mobile app settings are the most valuable of all of the types because at least for me, I have the mobile app on my phone. If you don't have the HubSpot mobile app, I'll be sure to put a link in the description below where you can download the HubSpot mobile app so that you make sure that you're getting these push notifications. And again, just like with everything else, my personal preference is to be notified in the apps that I'm using. I personally don't like getting dozens and dozens of email notifications. So I personally would rather not have email notifications on and have my desktop and mobile app notifications on. But in the other videos, I broke down how you can dive into that in more detail. But the mobile app settings here is where you can adjust all those. Again, if you're just starting in HubSpot, I would recommend keeping everything on, and then you can start noticing what you're getting notified for and decide what you don't want to be notified for. So that is the HubSpot mobile app notification settings overview. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Happy to help with anything else. Thanks so much for watching. We are here to free you up to do what you love. We'll see you in the next video.